Good morning, guys. Welcome to DoingMarie in Netherlands. Good morning, guys. Welcome to DoingMarie in Netherlands. Good morning, guys. Welcome to DoingMarie in the Netherlands. My name is Marie. Today I'm going to show you guys how I clean my brushes, my dirty brushes. We had an event not long ago, so all the brushes has been used and the girls were here, so I'm about to clean the brushes. So I got the brushes right here, and this is just a dishwash liquid, and here I got a Dettol. This is antibacterial liquid that you're supposed to mix with your all-purpose cleaning liquid. So I got here some hot water. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pour in some of the dishwashing liquid in the water. It's a hot water. I'm gonna pour in a good amount, and then I'm gonna add some of the Dettol, the antibacterial liquid. It's not too much because you're supposed to mix here 2 of this of that for 1 liter of water and 3 for 5 liters. So I'm just gonna do a little bit, and then I'm gonna put all my brushes in here, and I will just let it soak in there for about 5 minutes with the warm water and all the washing liquid and the antibacterial for all to work in. Just let it soak in there, and you start seeing that it is already coming off. See? So I will leave it in there, and yeah, that's it. Really, it's very easy, and I love this method a lot. It's simple, you know, most of the ingredients you already have at home. You can also use just an antibacterial that you don't have to mix like mine, just an antibacterial spray, and then you just add your dish liquid. This is the important bit, because this one obviously is made to remove all the dirt, all the grease. So any of your dish liquid, and then add some antibacterial, and that is how I really do it, really. And after that, I'm just gonna empty this one, and I'll let the brushes, put them like this to let them dry. You can see how the brushes, you know, and then I will probably go with my hand and just rub it on my hand for any leftover dirt to come out. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. It was short but powerful. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. And don't forget to subscribe if you are new to this channel, and thank you. Bye.